Yeah, so some things that we noticed is this was the first time they had to take a text, an article on tusked elephants, and actually dissect it and read it before they even took the test. And so it brought another layer to their understanding. It brought the layer of comprehension of reading. And so the students who I scaffold for today with our flex day, like the reteaching, I'm seeing if they just couldn't comprehend the text before they answered the questions, where there was a it didn't transfer. And so the students who struggled for me, like in the sixth period, my sixth period had the highest struggle. I think when I look at and think of their MAP scores in reading writing, they're also struggling. So I'm thinking about next time ways we can even scaffold the reading more, where they can't, it's not a test on their reading ability, it's an actual test on do they understand the science content. So they had to read a whole article, and then they had to answer like these 3 higher level questions, written responses. And so that was where they struggled the most on the test. So if you guys have ideas for reading comprehension when it comes to, because I mean they do this a lot on other big tests too. Like they have an article or something they have to dissect first and then respond to it.
You did reciprocal teaching, right?
And I did reciprocal teaching yesterday, where they had 4 different ways to dissect the text before they did the test. And so they could figure out words, they could draw pictures or illustrations, they could write questions and connections, and then they summarize. And so that was a new strategy. I'm gonna see if that helped.
I'm just thinking various note catchers.
Yeah.
You know, just
Yeah.
different ones, and then the cool part would be if you could figure out what each kid needs a note catcher, they know their strategy for comprehension.
Yeah, so one kiddo today, first period, who had the struggle, we took her into the other room today, and we gave her the scaffold where it had like the words adaptation, mutation, natural selection, and in her own words she defined it, and then she had to come up with a